In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how this GoodNovel hack method works, step by step. If you're looking for a free GoodNovel hack and mod latest version, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use a working GoodNovel hack that runs smoothly on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see on your screen, this method unlocks powerful features, including unlimited coins, along with multiple in-game hacks available for the latest version of GoodNovel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything clearly so you can see exactly how this method works. Right now, you can notice several available options, such as unlimited coins and additional features designed to enhance your overall GoodNovel experience. Before we begin, make sure your GoodNovel app is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for GoodNovel, and check if any updates are available. If your app is already up to date, you're ready to move on to the next step. In this tutorial, the next thing you need to do is head straight to the pinned comment below this video. There, I explain exactly where and how you can access GoodNovel++. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!